What the fuck? This portable steam machine with 9 accessories just dropped from 90 bucks to under 50. And let me make this real clear. What you're looking at right now is not water. That's high temperature steam. This is how you clean a car engine the smart way, the safe way, and the professional way. This thing is a beast for cleaning engines, especially in places where you can't just be spraying water everywhere, like closed shops, parking garages, or spots with environmental rules. That's exactly where this machine shines. With this steam machine, you can break down grease, oil, and all that nasty built-up grime without soaking your wires, cables, or delicate electronic parts. That's the whole damn point. And unlike a regular pressure washer, steam doesn't leave puddles everywhere, doesn't create all that messy runoff, and helps lower the risk of electrical problems too. On top of that, it uses barely any water, which makes it a way cleaner and more responsible option overall. That's exactly why you need a steam machine if you're cleaning car engines. And yeah, I dropped the product link right below this video so you can grab yours too. And this isn't just some basic little setup either. This machine comes with a full steam cleaning kit, longer extension tubes for those hard to reach spots, and brushes that make heavy grime way easier to clean. And as you can see, my engine came out clean as hell without needing a high pressure washer at all. And yeah, this is the machine right here.
So if it's still in stock, I'll try to put the link below for you.